Good morning, dear tutor and fellow students of the course. My name is Jairo Andres Ortega Pinta. I am 31 years old. I live in Orito. I am married. I like to do sport. I am happy to be with my family. I am quite outgoing and I enjoy very much studying. I am simple person, respectful. I like sport and enjoy to successfully complete my career. Next, I want to make the comparison between a motorcycle and a car. The motorcycle is cheaper than a car. The car is more comfortable than motorcycle. The motorcycle spends less fuel than a car. The car has more space than a motorcycle. The car is safer than a motorcycle. Thank you.